We follow the law because we love God and we love our neighbors. The motive is love. Kaya po napaka-importante po yung paalaala ng Panginoon. We should never separate the two. And just to remind us, we cannot love our neighbor without loving first God. Pag alsin po ninyo ang Diyos sa una, you cannot love your neighbor. Your neighbor is lovable because you love God, because we love God. Kaya po, lovable ang ating neighbor. And so in this Mass, I hope we are able to understand that Christ is constantly reminding us that our religion and our faith is both loving God primarily with all our heart, with all our mind, with all our soul, and loving our neighbor as ourselves.